Welding is more than sparks and steel. It is precision, focus, and problem solving. I'm Jesse Whitehead, welding instructor here at Lakeland. Welding combines technical skill in the craftsmanship. For the right person, that challenge is what makes the work rewarding. At Lakeland, students learn in an environment that feels like the real industry from day one. Half of your training is focused on practical welding skills, learning the techniques, processes, and precision needed to succeed in the trade. The other half focuses on shop skills, blueprint reading, fabrication, safety, and how projects come together in real-world settings. Welders play a critical role across countless industries. You could be building structural steel for construction projects, repairing equipment, fabricating components, or working in pressure welding. No 2 days are the same, and that's what many students love about the trade. Over 3 periods of training, you'll complete technical training while gaining thousands of hours of on-the-job experience that prepares you for a long-term career. If you're ready to challenge yourself and build practical skills for a career with endless opportunities, welding can take you there.